Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Very good morning to all of you.
Yes,
Good
sir.
afternoon, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Sir, yes,
Good
sir.
afternoon, sir.
Okay.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir.
We are going to
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
good afternoon.
Morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Chalo, stop chatting. It was something disturbance of internet due to which there is delay, and I am facing some sort of disturbance. Okay. Hence it is delay. Okay. So let's start once again. Okay. And let's start once again. We were studying we were learning the topic spoilage of food and its preservation. Now you will answer me it in chat mode. What are the reason of spoilage of food? Yesterday I have taught you what are the reason of spoilage of food. The reason of spoilage of food. Reason of okay. Hello. Can you hear me? Reason for spoilage of food. Okay. So yesterday we have learned the reason of spoilage of food, where the presence of moisture and warm temperature. These were the two. This was the first reason. Okay. And now what happened due to the moisture? What happened due to moisture? Can anybody say? Raise your hand. Moisture and warm temperature attract the growth of. This is fill in the blank which I have put before you. This is the question. Who will answer this question? You come on the screen. Those who wish to answer the question, raise your hands and raise your hand. Okay. Those who wish to uh, Sa- Sanlit Kumar, I am unmuting you. I am unmuting you. Okay, Sanlit Kumar, I have unmuted you, and you come on the screen and answer the question. Moisture and warm temperature attract the growth of. It is fill in the blank. Answer the question.
By
Tell
the
me.
prevalence of moisture and than
No,
temperature,
you
the
don't read the book. You
growth
don't read the book.
of
You don't. You don't. You don't read the book, my dear. You listen my question very carefully. What I am saying that the I am saying that the presence of moisture and warm temperature attract the growth of. Will you like to answer it? Can you answer it? Okay, next. Mute yourself. Mute yourself now. Okay. Now, Shanlit Kumar, mute yourself. And now, Apurva Singh. Unmute yourself. Apurva Singh, I have unmuted you.
Yes, sir.
Wait, Apurva Singh.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So come on the screen now and you answer it.
Sir,
Have you heard my question?
microorganisms.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Means the presence of moisture and warm temperature attract the growth of microorganism. Is that clear to one and all? Is that clear to one and all? All
Yes,
of you?
sir.
Is it clear to you? Okay. Now next. Next. So I hope all of you, it is clear to you that it attracts the growth of microorganism. Okay. And microorganism spoil the food. Is that clear? All of you say at once, repeat with me. Okay. Hello, I have unmuted all of you. I have unmuted all
Yes,
of
sir.
you. You will say with me. You will repeat with me.
Microorganism.
When I will wait, I will say the line and you will repeat it with me. No
Okay, sir.
microorganism. Wait.
Yeah,
You will repeat with me. You will repeat with me. Microorganisms attract the growth of. Hello.
Yes, sir. One more time, sir.
What I am saying, you have to repeat this. Presence of moisture. Listen me. जिसको अनम्यूट करते हैं वो अपने आप को म्यूट नहीं करता है, फिर हम भगा देंगे यहाँ पर से हम। What I am saying, you repeat with me, you speak with me, okay? You speak with me. You have to speak with me. What you have to speak with me? Write in your notebook. You write in your notebook what I am saying to repeat. देखो हम स्क्रीन पर लिख रहे हैं या फिर तुम लिख लो उसको. The presence of moisture and warm temperature. Write in your notebook, everybody. Write in your notebook. The presence of moisture and warm temperature. The presence of moisture and warm temperature. The presence of moisture and warm temperature attract the growth of Kumar Mayank. What are you doing? You are not writing. Kumar Mayank. Presence of wait. हम बोलेंगे, बोलने के लिए तब बोलना, बीच में कोई नहीं बोलेगा. झट से बोल दिए. Mute yourself. The presence of moisture and warm temperature attract the growth of Shubham Kumar. You are talking with your sister. The presence of moisture and warm temperature attract the growth of microorganisms. Okay. Okay. Any problem? I hope you have understood. Now all of you will speak this line. Okay. All of you will speak this line. Okay. When I will say you. Now you repeat this line. Repeat the line which I have told. Okay. Moisture and warm temperature attract the growth of
Moisture and warm temperature.
Moisture and temperature.
Presence of moisture and warm temperature at growth of
Moisture and growth temperature.
Okay. Okay, mute. Now next. So moisture. Now second cause behind the second reason behind the spoilage of food is, first is moisture and warm temperature. Second is presence of enzyme. Okay. Second reason for the spoilage of food is presence of enzyme. Right. This is enzyme. Now question arises, what is enzyme? Okay. What is enzyme? Okay. What is enzyme? Enzyme are the substance, chemical substance. It is not substance. You can write it in your notebook. You can write it in your notebook. First reason was the moisture and warm temperature. Second reason for a spoilage of food is development of enzyme or the presence of enzyme. Okay, you can write development of enzyme or the presence of enzyme. Now, what is enzyme? What is enzyme? You note down in your copy. What is enzyme? Enzyme are the chemical substance. Aniket Kumar 5E, you are not writing. Enzyme are the chemical substance. Enzyme are the chemical substance. Manish Kumar. Enzyme are the chemical substance which are present in food, fruit, and vegetables. In Lisha Gupta. Enzymes are the chemical substance which is present in enzymes are the chemical substance which is present in fruit and vegetable. Okay, enzymes are the substance which are present in fruit and vegetable. Okay, they are responsible for ripening. They are उसी से फल पकता है एंजाइम से ही, ठीक है, और फल उसी से खराब भी होता है, ठीक है, उसी से खराब भी होता है, ठीक है। प्रियांशु कुमार, व्हाट यू वांट टू से?
सर
हम्म,
जो आप शुरू वाला बोले ना, ये प्रेजेंस ऑफ मॉइस्चर वाला सर,
हाँ कल भी लिखवाए
सर
थे,
बोला
आज भी रिवाइज करा, कल भी लिखवाए थे, कल का वीडियो देख लेना, ठीक है, कल का वीडियो देख लेना, ठीक है।
ठीक है सर,
चलो आप
ठीक है सर,
ओके, मान्यान अभिषेक,
थैंक यू
मान्यान अभिषेक।
सर। हमको पूछना है कि जो आप करा रहे हैं उसका आप स्क्रीन शेयर में स्टार्टिंग से बोल सकते हैं?
अब देखो जरूरत पड़ेगा, ऐसा अगर लगेगा तो हम कर देंगे, ठीक है, बट आई एम नॉट श्योर, जस्ट व्हाट कैन आई डू, अभी तुरंत हम नहीं कर सकते हैं, ठीक है, क्योंकि हमें आगे भी पढ़ाना है, ठीक है। कल का वीडियो देखो, कल के वीडियो में होगा, ठीक है, कल का वीडियो देख लेना, ओके। चलो, lower all your down your hand and mute yourself, everybody. Now what I am saying, I have said that the presence of enzyme is also responsible for the spoilage of food. Okay, presence of enzyme is also responsible for the spoilage of food. Okay, now how? What is enzyme? Enzyme is a chemical substance which is present. What is enzyme? Enzyme is a chemical substance which is present in fruit and vegetable. With help of enzyme, fruit get ripen. फल पकता है एंजाइम से, ठीक है, फल क्या पकता, किससे पकता है? एंजाइम से पकता। अगर एंजाइम नहीं रहेगा, नहीं बनेगा तो फल नहीं पकेगा, ठीक है। फिर उसके बाद चेंज, ओके, फल पकता है एंजाइम्स। और तीसरा कारण क्या है फूड को स्पॉइल करने का? रोडेंट्स, पेस्टिसाइड्स एंड इंसेक्ट्स, ठीक है, रोडेंट्स, पेस्टिसाइड्स एंड इंसेक्ट्स, these are also responsible for the these are also responsible for the spoilage of food. Okay, these are also responsible for the spoilage of food. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. This thing is clear. The microorganism, how does food get spoiled? Food get spoiled due to microorganism. Okay, food get spoiled due to microorganisms. Food get spoiled due to enzymes, and food get spoiled due to insects. I hope it is clear to you. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Food get spoiled due to microorganism, food get spoiled due to enzymes, and food get spoiled due to insects. Okay, I have told you. Okay, enzymes, about enzyme I have told you what are enzymes. Enzymes are the chemical substance. Enzymes are the chemical substance that are present in all fruit and vegetables. In fact, it is present in all the living beings. Okay, enzyme is responsible for the enzyme because they ripen the food. Okay, you see, this is they ripen the food. Most of the fruit are green in color and sour, or when they ripen, they change their taste. I hope it is clear to you. Okay, okay. Shashwat Kumar Dubey. Okay. Uh, okay, no one raised the hand. Okay. Next. Now, food gate. Now, how to preserve the food? अब खाना कैसे खराब होता है ये तो पता चल गया. Now how to prevent the spoilage of food? Okay, there are two types of food: perishable food and non-perishable food. What are two types of food? There are two types of food. One is perishable food and other is non-perishable food. Right? One is perishable. Perishable means जो खाना जो सड़ जाता है. ठीक है. One is perishable, other is non-perishable. Now can you make the list of perishable food items? जो सड़ जाता है और कुछ खाना नहीं सड़ता है. Can we make a list of perishable food items? Let's see. And I am unmuting all of you. Okay, I am unmuting all of you. You can answer it orally. Okay, I have unmuted you. Now what you will do? You
Yes,
will tell
sir.
me.
In perishable items, fruit. Fruit is perishable
Perishable.
item,
You
sir.
will tell.
Sir, enzymes are the particles of plant that are present in food.
फिर हम सबको म्यूट कर देंगे. Perishable food items. Perishable food item. बताओ कौन होगा?
Fruits and vegetables.
Fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables, sir.
Vegetable. Okay. And
Sir, honey.
Vegetables.
Sir, honey.
no, honey is non-perishable. Honey is non-perishable.
Some milk and
Bread.
Sir, milk and bread. Sir, milk and
Milk
bread.
and bread. Okay. और next बोलो. और बोलो.
Egg. Flour, rice.
meat and rice.
Flour, rice, pulses.
No.
Sir, egg.
Cooked pulses. Pulses and
So cook pulses.
rice and
Rice, sir. Rice.
Chapati.
So chapati.
okay.
Tea.
चपाती. और बोलो. तो वैसे नहीं. अब हम सबको म्यूट करते हैं. Raise your hand.
Cooked rice.
Now raise your hand. Now raise your hand. Now raise your hand. Raise your hand. I will unmute you. ऐसे नहीं. आवाज बहुत ज्यादा होता है. Disturb होता है. You raise your hand. I will unmute you. You will say and so raise your hand. Raise your hand. Okay. Keep your hand raising. I will unmute you. You will say. Okay. Divya Bharti. Tell me. Divya Bharti. Tell me.
Fruit and vegetables, milk and bread.
Okay. I have. Okay. Next, anybody else who can say? Tanvi Sinha 5A. I have unmuted you. You tell me anything else which you want to write.
Sir, pulses.
I have written cooked pulses and rice. And Shivank 5D. Tanvi Sinha, mute yourself. And Shama Chauhan 5D. Come on, say anything else which you want to add in the list of perishable food items. Sanmay Chauhan.
Yes, sir, fruit and vegetable.
I have already written, my dear. Mute yourself. Anything else?
Sir.
Next. Harsh Kumar 5E. Harsh Kumar 5E.
Yes, sir.
Tell me anything else which you want to add in this.
Dry fruit, sir.
No, dry fruit is non-perishable. ये सड़ता नहीं है. चलो आगे बोलो. दूसरा और कुछ है. Next. Apurv Singh 5E. Anything which you wish to add more?
Yes, sir. Meat, sir.
Meat. Okay, meat. I am adding meat. Okay, Apurv Singh. Mute yourself. Next, Shashwat Dubey and Shashwat and Shreyasri Dubey.
Sir, sweets.
Shashwat and sweets. Okay, very good. Sweet is also perishable. Okay, 6 and 7. I am writing sweets. Over now. Okay, over. And now over. And Harsh Kumar 5E. Anything which you wish to add? Harsh Kumar. Yes, sir. Hello.
Sir, pizza and burger. Pizza and burger, sir.
Okay, pizza and burger. Are you taking pizza and burger these days?
No, sir.
Okay. Now lower down all your hand. And now this is all about the perishable food item. Now let's make the list of non-perishable food. Mute from your side. Okay. I am getting the no surrounding noise. Okay. Now next, non-perishable food item. Okay. Now we will make a list of non-perishable food item. Okay. Non-perishable. P-E-R-I-S. Non-perishable food item. Okay. Now tell me the non-perishable food item. One, you can raise your hand. Okay. Apurva saying 5E. I have unmuted you. You tell me.
Sir, dry fruit.
Dry fruits. Okay. Dry fruits. Next.
Sir,
Okay. Apurva saying
cookies and biscuits.
cookies and biscuits. Mute yourself. Cookies, I'm simply writing. Okay. Next, third. Okay, Shivang 5D will now say. Okay. Shivang 5D, you will say. Shivang 5D. Saswat Dubey. Saswat Dubey and Shreyasri Dubey. Tell me.
Sir, honey.
Honey. Okay, very good. Honey. Okay. Fourth. And Kumar Mayank 5F. Kumar Mayank 5F. Kumar Mayank 5F.
Sir, chips.
Chips. Chips. Okay. See. So which type? The chips. Both type of chips. See chips. Chips. Dry chips or fried chips? Dry chips or fried chips?
Dry chips.
Not fried chips. Okay. Now 4, 5. Now come to the 5. Next, I am saying the name of many students have rolled. Next, and Arpita Kumari.
Sir,
5A.
biscuit.
Okay, over. Now you mute yourself. Okay, Harsh Kumar 5E. Harsh Kumar 5E.
Yes, sir. Sir, dal.
Uncooked.
Yes, sir.
Uncooked pulses. Uncooked pulses. Rice and wheat. Pulses and rice. Okay. Now Divya Bharti 5A. Unmute yourself.
Yes,
Divya
sir.
Bharti. Tell me.
Junk food.
Junk food. All cooked junk food. No, junk food is not an example. Now what you find here? What you find here? I have taken the two examples. Now you have seen the perishable and non-perishable. What does perishable mean? Perishable means which get spoiled. Perishable, food which get spoiled. Okay, food which get spoiled by growth which get spoiled, that is called perishable food item. And next we have the food which doesn't get spoiled, and this is called non-perishable, which do not get spoiled, which do not get spoiled, they are called non-perishable food items. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Now come on the screen. Okay, now perishable, down all your hand and mute yourself from your surrounding. Okay, mute yourself everybody. Now I hope it is clear to you. Manya, what happened to you again and again? Tell me, Manya. Tell me what happened to you, Manya?
प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, आप जब पूछ रहे थे तो उसके लिए मैं आंसर देने के लिए किए थे.
चलो ठीक है, over. Next, what I told, perishable and non-perishable. Perishable means the food which get spoiled. The food which get spoiled is called perishable food item, and which do not get spoiled, that is called non-perishable food item. I hope it is clear to you. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Okay, next I have, next thing we will learn that how to preserve the perishable food item. ठीक है, खाना को सड़ने से कैसे बचाया जाए, जो खाना सड़ जाता है थोड़ी देर में उसको हम कैसे बचा सकते हैं, that is called food preservation. Okay, so what is food preservation? Food preservation is a process. Now next topic it is food preservation. Okay, what is food preservation? Food preservation is a technique, it is a process. What is food preservation? It is a technique, it is a process in which food is made fit to be used. What is food preservation? Food preservation is a process, it is a technique. Okay, food preservation is a process, it is a technique by which food is made fit for a long time, by which food is made fit for the long time. I hope you have understood it. Food preservation is a process by which food is made fit to be used for the long time. Okay, how, we will see later. Okay, so I hope you have understood the food preservation. Second, what are the advantages of food preservation? Food is preserved for the future. Divya Bharti, what are you doing? Divya Bharti, food preservation, in food preservation food is preserved. Okay, food is preserved. How to preserve, that we will see later. The food is made fit to be consumed after for a long time. This is called food preservation. Okay, so let's see it on the screen once again. Let's define the food preservation. This is the process of making the food, this is the process of handling the food to stop the spoilage, to stop the spoilage, to make the food fit to be used for a long time, to store it for a long time, so that it can be used when it is not available. When it is not available, right? So, what are the advantages? What is food preservation? Let's come on the screen. We will see what is food preservation. Okay, let's see. I should I delete it? Should I delete it? Answer. All of you, tell me. Should I delete it? I have unmuted you. You let me know. Should I delete it from the screen? Should I remove it from the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Should I
sir.
remove it?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Now we
Yes,
have,
sir.
okay.
Yes, sir.
Now we, okay. Now we have the next topic, that is called food preservation. Okay. Now we have the next topic, that is called food preservation. Okay, food preservation. What is food preservation? Food preservation, it is a process. It is a process. It is a process oblique technique. It is a process oblique technique. ठीक है? To it is a process. It is a technique to make food food fit, to make food fit to make food fit to be used for 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 long time, for long time. Okay, it is a technique to make food fit to be used for long time. Okay, this is the okay. I hope it is clear to you, the food preservation. Okay, it is the okay. Now, what are the advantages of food preservation? What are advantages? What are advantages of food preservation? What are the advantages of food preservation. Okay, food is first reduce in spoilage of food. Reduce in spoilage of food. Second, food is made to be available even after season. Okay, food is made to be available even after season, right? I hope you have understood what are the advantages of food preservation. Next, what are the ways? What are the ways of food preservation? Third topic is what are the ways? Okay, what are the ways, methods of food preservation? Method of food preservation. Method of food preservation. Okay, what are the methods of food preservation? First is dehydration. Okay, first one is dehydration. Dehydration. Second one is adding of sugar and salt. Adding of adding of sugar and salt. Okay, and then preservation by chemicals. Okay, then preservation by chemicals. Third, preservation by adding chemicals. Okay, then fourth, freezing. Then fifth, pasteurization. And we will see later on. The first one, it is dry. First one it is dehydration. Okay, you see here the first one is dehydration. Okay, sorry. First one is dehydration. Okay, so what is, we will see one by one. What is dehydration? Okay, dehydration. I have already told you that food get spoiled due to presence of moisture. Okay, due to presence of moisture and due to presence of warm temperature, there is development of microorganism. So if we remove the moisture from the food will be fit for use for a long time. So how can we remove the moisture? We can remove the moisture by, we can remove the moisture anyway, any process to remove the moisture. This is dehydration. D means remove, hydrate means water. Okay, D means remove and hydrate means water. Khushi Kumari, unmute yourself and say what is wrong with you. Tell me, Khushi Kumari, 5E. Khushi Kumari, 5E. Okay, down yourself. Next, dehydration. This is removal of water, removal of moisture from food to make it fit for use for after long time. Okay, now unmute. I have unmuted you, Natik Kumar. Tell me what is problem with you. Natik Kumar, tell me. I have unmuted you. If you will not speak, then I will mute you. Okay. Next. I hope you have understood it. Dehydration. This is removal of preservation of food by the removal of water. This is called dehydration. This is called dehydration. The preservation of food by removal of moisture from it. This is called dehydration. Now, I have already told you that moisture and the warm temperature. By this, by the presence of moisture and by the presence of warm temperature, there is growth of microorganism, and these microorganisms spoil the food. These microorganisms spoil the food. So what we should do? We should remove the moisture, we should remove the warm temperature. Our food will be stopped from being spoiled. Our food will be stopped from being spoiled. I hope it is clear to you. Rest of the processes we will see it tomorrow. You will get the recording of this in your WhatsApp group. I hope all of you would have got the recording. Do you have you seen the recording? Recording देखे हो तुम लोग अपना? Recording मिला था WhatsApp
Yes, sir.
यस सर देखें
group पे?
Yes, sir.